Hey guys, the Toys Collector here, and today I'm really excited because I have this giant Spiderman Play-Doh egg. This Play-Doh egg is looking so cool. It has Spider-Man's web and Spider-Man on it. Let's open this egg and see all the fun surprises inside. And here's a sneak peek of all the surprises. Let's open. And first I'll be opening this Power Rangers Mega Bloks blind bag. And you can collect 8 figurines. And here's the flyer showing all the collectibles. And showing how to build your figurines. Not sure who this Power Rangers character is, but if you do, please leave it in the comment section below. Now it's time to open this Marvel Avengers surprise egg. And there's 40 tattoos of all the Marvel Avengers characters. How cool! And now it's time to open this Mutant Mania surprise. And this is shaped like a soda can. And there's a collector's guide. You can collect 120 figurines. And I think his name is Rock Dude. He's so cool. Time for a Marvel Avengers blind bag. These are all the figurines and toys you can collect. And we got Loki. These blind bags have so many cool figurines. Time to open another surprise egg. And it's a Spiderman beanie ball. He's looking so cute. Let's open this Disney Plane Smash 'em. And we got Rip Slinger from Disney Planes. These mashups are so squishy. Time to open this blind bag from X-Men. We got 2 cards featuring Falcon and Sentinel. Let me know if you guys have played this game. Time for a Johnny Test blind bag. Here's Johnny. And a collector's guide. You can collect 80 figurines. And now it's time for a Spider-Man surprise egg. In this egg, there were 40 tattoos of Spider-Man and some Easter eggs. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this giant Spider-Man Play-Doh surprise egg. For more giant Play-Doh eggs, subscribe to my channel, The Toys Collector. Thank you for watching. Bye!